Welcome to Free Workout Programs. This is a program here. This is the Women's Beginner Weightlifting Program Phase 1. It'll be focused and built around female aesthetics, building a foundation of exercising for the rest of your life. Very important. And the equipment here used will be focused on what you can find in the gym. 3 days per week, lifting routine. We're going to focus on the legs, core, and the rest of the body as secondary. All right. There will be a home edition coming soon. So starting with Monday, legs, upper back, and 15 to 20 minutes cardio. We're going to be moving into this, and we'll be starting with various workouts. 3 sets of 10 will be the majority of most of the workouts we'll do, unless otherwise stated. So starting with the body weight squat, 3 sets of 10. A very important movement here to work the lower body. Now the important thing is to keep your feet slightly wider than shoulder distance and control the body going down and control the body going up. Don't move too fast for this. Try to do it slower and work on building good formation of squats. And then the next exercise I've chosen is walking lunges. You can do standing lunges as well. I prefer walking. I feel like it moves better through the natural plane of motion, and it targets the glutes and quads very well. And you can use your own body weight. I would probably recommend that. If you're a little stronger and you can do it well, you can add some dumbbells. But here's a version of standing. You just step forward and come right back up to your starting position. And so that'll be 6 steps per leg, so 3 sets of 12. And then moving into the lat pull downs, this will work your latissimus dorsi muscle and will give you that nice V taper, thus making your waist look smaller. An excellent exercise for the back. And some biceps are also involved in this movement. So you'll see there's no isolation of bicep or tricep workouts that I've added to this program, because movements like this will bring in the biceps as well. And then we have 15 to 20 minutes of cardio. Walking is an excellent thing at the gym. There's many different cardio machines. Choose one. Keep your intensity moderate. But if you're just as running, you can definitely do that as well. Just make sure that you don't overdo it, because we're easing into a program. This is for those that have never worked out before. Any type of sports such as soccer or basketball can be done as well. Anything just to get the body moving. And it's an excellent way to burn extra calories on top of your weight routine that you just did. And since you're going to be doing a lot of legs, these type of exercises here, I'm not sure why the camera is swinging back and forth, but that is interesting. So when you do cardio along with legs, the cardio not only is burning extra calories, but it's also helping to flush out that lactic acid. So doing this much legs is going to make you sore. That's why you don't want to go too heavy on it. So keep that in mind. Okay, you're going to rest Tuesday. Moving into Wednesday, it's going to be legs and lower back day. So you're doing legs again, because that's mainly the focus of female aesthetics. So we're starting with the quad extension. This machine is found in every single gym. Quadricep. And then the next exercise is going to be hamstring curls. And I prefer the lying leg curl. I feel like it targets the hamstring well. Think of this muscle kind of like the bicep of your leg. So you curl it up and lower the weight slowly, nice and controlled. 3 sets of 10 is the goal. And excellent exercise to build thickness in the leg. And the next is going to be Romanian deadlifts. So you're going to be mainly standing up straight, and your back's going to be completely straight and neutral with your spine. But the most important thing is you want to have a very slight bend at the knees so that you can bring the weight down without doing much of a squat. Remember, you're focusing on your lower back with this exercise. So keep the movements nice and controlled, and keep that bar close to your body. And this can be done with dumbbells as well. However, the barbell keeps your plane of motion moving in a consistent manner. Whereas sometimes I see when people use dumbbells, they kind of bring it to the side and they kind of lose the form. So remember, don't go heavy on it if you don't need to. Rest Thursday, and then coming in with Friday, legs, chest, and abs day. And this will be another day of including some legs. Remember, with all these different workout days, we're working different muscles of the legs, so keep that in mind. This is the Bulgarian Split Squat. Slightly more advanced, however, keep the weights light. You can use some dumbbells for some stability. Many like to do that. And you put one leg up, and you're going to do 6 reps per leg. So 6 reps per leg. Remember, focus on that balance and form. Okay. Now we're going to move into sumo squats. Notice this lady here, she has her toes pointed outwards and her legs are spread out wide, and this will help to focus directly on the glutes. That's the main focus of this exercise. And of course, it's called a sumo squat because sumo wrestlers, they have very strong glutes, right? Because they're pushing with those glute muscles. So that's really the point of here, and you're going to have a dumbbell just in front of you while you do that. And then we're going to move into the flat bench press. The bar itself, as gyms, is it's a Olympic weight bar, so it's about 45 pounds. So if that's too heavy for you, maybe get a spotter. You can also use dumbbells as well. But the main thing is control the weight down and control it up as well. You do not want to go too heavy with this, but this will help build some muscle in the pectoralis muscles, which is the muscle in your chest, and that's a very important muscle. And as you're doing this pressing motion, you're working some triceps as well. Okay, now we're moving into crunches. This can be done on the floor or on a ball. It'll be 3 sets of 10. Now, don't pull your neck forward. That's not the goal. The goal is to use your upper abdominal muscles to pull your upper portion of your body up. And then finally, you're going to do knee raises. And sorry, of course, this is a guy here I do know. I was trying to find one of a woman, but this is 3 sets of 6, working the lower abs. All right, so as far as goals and tips, remember to contract the muscle. Do not try to just move the weight. You want to contract the muscle to get the most muscle activation. Make every rep count. Slow down your cadence. Rest no longer than 1 minute between sets. Keep the intensity high. You can do 1 or 2 light warm-up sets before each exercise, or walk on the treadmill for a little bit since you're going to be working your legs, get the blood flowing, but earn those rest days. And feel free to pause at any one of those to get the information saved. But please subscribe for more information. I'll be making phase 2 and phase 3 soon.